The 1930 Cadillac V16 stands as one of the most iconic and luxurious vehicles of the classic automotive era, representing unmatched elegance, power, and innovation built during an era when automotive engineering was an art form. This masterpiece was the first car in the world to feature a V16 engine, setting a new benchmark for performance and prestige. Its presence is unmistakable, with a long flowing body, massive fenders, and a tall, upright grille that defines the grandeur of early 20th century motoring. The large spoke wheels with white wall tires add to its majestic road presence, and every inch of this vehicle screams craftsmanship and status. Inside the 1930 Cadillac V16, you are immediately transported to a world of old-world luxury. The cabin was hand-built with the finest materials available at the time. Rich wood trim, genuine leather upholstery, and hand-stitched detailing covered every surface. The dashboard features beautifully machined metal accents and analog gauges that provide an authentic, mechanical charm. The instrument panel includes dials for oil pressure, fuel level, speed, and amperage, all laid out in a classic symmetrical style. The front seats are wide and plush, designed to provide comfort on long drives, with many models featuring adjustable driver's seating and armrests. The back seats are equally luxurious, often equipped with extra legroom, footrests, and sometimes even a vanity mirror or writing desk, depending on the body style and coach builder. Under the hood, the Cadillac V16 was a marvel of engineering. The 7.4-liter V16 engine delivered around 175 horsepower, an incredible figure for its time, and ran so smoothly that it was often compared to an electric motor in its refinement. It used a dual carburetor setup and had an overhead valve design, delivering not just power, but also